Here's Ray. So is Wanda. Uh-oh. I'm just getting the back of your head. Oh, there's Wanda.
Say hi. Hi. She's a little bit sleepy. Say hi, Mom. Hi, Mom.
We're gonna miss you, baby Wanda.
Come back soon.
And now let's see, here's Stephanie. We're gonna miss you, Stephanie. Tippy's gonna miss you too.
I don't want to go back to school. I'll move home. Stay with me.
Stephanie says, go to school, Tiffany. Go to
degree,
school.
and then you can take care of babies like me anytime you want.
Yep. Okay, Tara, come here. We want to get Lisette. Tara, come show Lisette. Hi, Lisette. She did. She held her. She held Wanda. There's Tara and Lisette.
Just a little cranky.
Hmm.